What's happening, everyone? It's me, it's Count. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking for you while also playing Pokemon Go. This is something that I really want to try out for some time, mainly because aside from Pokemon Go, one of my biggest hobbies and one of my biggest passions is actually cooking. So today I'm going to be cooking for you a delicious Thai coconut soup, and let's see what Pokemon I catch along the way. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, let's go over the ingredients first. First off, you will want some fresh cilantro. You will want 1 stalk of fresh lemongrass thinly sliced. You will want a couple of fresh Thai chilies. And then you will also need a tablespoon of minced ginger. These are some of the core ingredients for this soup. But of course, we're also going to need some broth. I really suggest you go with 4 cups of chicken bone broth. It's kind of like my choice when it comes to this soup, but you could also go with regular chicken stock or even a vegetable stock as well. I've used all of them, they all taste pretty good, but again, my preferred one is bone broth. You're also going to want a tablespoon of red curry paste. This is the brand that I prefer. And then you're also going to want a tablespoon of anchovy fish sauce. And of course, given that this is a coconut soup, you will also need 1 cup of coconut milk. This is kind of like the most generic brand. I tend to go with it with this soup, but you could really pick and choose. There's a lot of different brands out there that can work for this soup, but yeah. Alright, before we get on to the next step, let's actually see what's spawning around us. Of course, there's not much. There is a Rattata and a Poochyena, but it could potentially be shiny, and it's not shiny, but yeah, let's just catch it. I think I'm gonna throw on an incense as well, although I don't want to be distracted while cooking, but I think it could spice things up a little bit if you kind of catch my drift. But yeah, let's see what actually spawns with an incense. So the first spawn of this incense is going to be nothing. I actually realized that it's snowing in-game, and this would have been the most opportune time to do a Meltan box, but, well, mine is currently not available until tomorrow, and it looks like it's going to be Spoink. Is it going to be shiny? Nope, of course not. Alright, so starting off, what you're going to want to do is take the minced ginger as well as the sliced lemongrass and put it in a big pot. Make sure you have a little bit of oil in there as well so it doesn't stick to the pot. You're also going to want to put in your red curry paste as well. And then you're going to want to cook this for about a minute. Just kind of let it simmer down on the bottom of the pot. Afterwards, you want to put in your bone broth and then just let it cook for about 4 minutes. Make sure you're stirring occasionally just so that you can get all the ingredients to blend together. Add your coconut milk, then your anchovy sauce, and then the Thai chilies. And then after that, make sure you add your mushrooms as well, because you definitely want to get the mushrooms to kind of cook in with the soup and add that mushroom flavor to it. It's gonna make it really delicious. Alright, the soup is just about finished. Let's do one more check. I was catching Pokemon while waiting for this soup to simmer, but at the same time I was getting kind of bored, so I didn't really see anything, but so very uneventful when it comes to Pokemon, but of course I'm playing from my home and I don't necessarily have that great of some home spawns. But yeah, it looks like this soup is ready, so let's take a look at that. And then to finish it all off, now you add your cilantro. And basically all you do is just pull out some leaves and then just garnish your soup with cilantro.